Let's say that you launched a new mobile application in Apple App Store. In the first week or so, you're going to be seeing that you're going to be getting quite a lot of downloads organically. It is because Apple gives a boost to your mobile app in the first week or so. But starting from the second week, you will quickly recognize that you're not going to be getting that many downloads anymore. Even your impressions will go down to zero. And the math is quite simple here. Is no one is seeing your app, no one will be downloading it, and your revenue will remain at zero. If you did a good job with ASO, app search optimization, over the time, you will start ranking for certain keywords at higher positions, which will start giving you organic downloads. But this may take several months, and there's no guarantee. If you don't have this time to wait, then you can actually try to run some paid ads. You have two categories. The first category is Apple search ads, and the other category is the others, as I call it. Meta, YouTube, Google, Reddit, X. If you're running your ad in Apple search ads, you don't need to ask your user for user consent to follow the performance of your ad, because everything is run within the ecosystem of Apple. But if you are running an ad in another platform, and if you want to track the success of your ads, you need to have this tracking mechanism in place. You need to ask for user consent. Maybe track you. And let's be honest here. Whenever you see a window where the system is asking you if it is okay or not that the app can track your journey within the app, do you answer yes to that question or do you answer no? A very small portion of people actually end up answering yes to those questions, which leads to the problem that you are maybe running very expensive ads. But if people keep saying no to these, consent questions, then even if you have this technical infrastructure in place, you won't be able to track them in the way you need to. In short, if you're going to run paid ads, you need to be prepared to spend quite a lot of money to get the value from your campaigns that you're expecting. Most of the experts that I see here and there keep saying that if you don't have, $10,000 to $15,000 per month, say, to spend on Facebook ads as an example, then it is very likely that you're not going to see any positive impact of your ads in most cases. At this point in time, you can say, what the heck? I can just go and run some Apple search ads. You are sort of right. Yes, it may pay off. But on the other hand, a lot of other people are trying to run the Apple search ads. And if you want to compete for certain keywords with other people, you need to be prepared for spending quite a lot of money there as well. So one thing that can help you here to optimize your application is to look at the analytics data of your app. But analytics is another problem, because if you're tracking people, then you have to ask your users for their consent as well. You can ask if the situation is really hopeless. Not really. You can still use privacy-friendly analytics solutions to get the analytics data from your mobile apps, which brings me to the last part of my presentation, which is the Respectlytics, the new platform that I'm working on. Even if you are getting really few downloads, by looking at the analytics data, you can quickly understand where and how and when they make a purchase in the app so that you can optimize things, and maybe you can try to increase your revenue just by optimizing the user experience in your mobile app.